Liquefied natural gas, or LNG for short, seems to be hot on everyone's tongue, even more so now because of the situation between Russia and Ukraine. Habari Tech's most recent video explored the possibility of Africa replacing Russia's gas in Europe, but today, the MSGBC region is what will be discussed. The MSGBC region stands for Mauritania, Senegal, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau and Guinea-Conakry, and there are 6 LNG developments taking place across this region. Project number 1. The Greater Tortue Amayim. This project targets 15 trillion cubic feet of gas reserves traversing Senegal and Mauritania. The GTA project was delayed by various lockdowns throughout the past 2 years, but is now on track to start production by late 2023. Project number 2. Yakar Teranga. Located in Senegal, this project targets 20 trillion cubic feet of gas at 3,000 meters water depth. There are to be 2 stages of the project. The first will implement a steady supply of 150 million cubic feet of gas extraction a day. The second phase will build export facilities and local petrochemical processing plants. The project is intended to be completed by 2024. Project number 3. Barala. Mauritania's Bir Allah field holds 13 trillion cubic feet of natural gas at 2,500 meters water depth. Not too far from the previous 2 projects, the gas reserves were discovered using the Valaris DS-12 drillship in 2019. Project number 4. Banda. An agreement between the Mauritanian government and an American energy firm has allowed the goal of extracting gas supplies from the Banda field by 2024.